Yeah, we've reached Mumbai Airport. So excited to go to Delhi and then Nainital from there. Stay tuned for all the tips. Hi guys, finally we have reached Delhi and this is our hotel room. We are staying in the Sheraton in Saket just for a night because tomorrow we'll then go off to Nainital. So early morning flight थी इसलिए we had to book like a stay over. Nainital की trip in a way कल सुबह शुरू होगी. So I'll keep you guys updated about everything. By the way, the Mumbai flight to Delhi was delayed by an hour. So हमें यहाँ actually 2:30 तक पहुँच जाना था. बट हमें 3:30 बज गए पहुँचते पहुँचते. सो जस्ट things you can't control, what can you do? The journey was really good, it wasn't bad at all. And let me show you a quick glimpse of the Sheraton room. It's spectacular and the service is always good as well. I've stayed here once before and they are still doing so good in terms of hospitality. This is the view. Select City Walk is the view pretty much, and this is our bed, the room, the TV and the table. But the highlight and my most favorite part, apart from the fridge which is all stocked up with drinks and the cupboards, is actually the bathroom. Like the bathroom is A1 top class and I really am a sucker for great bathrooms. So this one is fab. Hi guys, good morning. आज हम सुबह उठ के we got ready and we left the hotel on time and everything was going perfect. But just unfortunately we couldn't check in. Like कल Indigo की flight की websites या app के साथ I don't know what was wrong, so check in ही नहीं हो रहा था. Eventually we thought we'll just go at the airport and check in. ही नहीं हो पाया and unfortunately we missed the flight. And this is the first time ever I think I've ever missed a flight in my life. So we decided that we'll go to Nainital by road because of course we wanted to go and there was no point कि हम miss करेंगे. पूरी आगे की ट्रिप सेट है, लाइक द होटल बुकिंग्स एंड एवरीथिंग वी प्लान टू डू दैट. तो हमने एयरपोर्ट से ही कैब बुक करी एंड नाउ वी आर ऑन द वे. वी आर ऑलरेडी 2 hours into the journey. It takes approximately 6 hours to reach Nainital from Delhi International Airport. अब मुझे पता चल गया है. तो अब 4 घंटे का रास्ता बाकी है. हमारे से उद्घाटन हो रहा है. ऑसम. हाँ, ये लगी रही है, प्लास्टिक वगैरह भी नहीं उतरा है. वाह, परफेक्ट टाइमिंग. Finally, we have checked in and we wanted to upgrade the room because when we checked our room, we didn't really like it much. So we upgraded the room and now the one which we have, I'll show you. It's like the best room with the best view and this is the view right behind us. Oh my god, spectacular, isn't it? So that way I just feel the property so worth it. And the lake facing rooms, like these rooms with balconies, are the ones which we got. I'll tell you about the price and everything in the description box, of course, and the name of the resort. But now we'll sit down to have lunch because 2 baj gaye and we are really very hungry after a long journey. Hello guys, good morning from Nainital. This is the balcony of our room and look at the view we wake up to. Oh my god, spectacular. Right, so guys, we were enjoying our breakfast, just got done with it, I mean, and all of a sudden it started raining here. Oh my goodness. It looks so good and feels kinda chilly now. The resort real quick. Day 2 in Nainital. So it's a very big resort and they have space for pretty much everything. Restaurant ke bahar, andar just like a nice seating gazebo place they have overlooking the Nauchukhiya Tal lake, and then this is the bonfire place जो रात को काफ़ी आप बढ़िया chill bonfire कर सकते हैं. Then there is this area for like a party or like a birthday or whatever you want to celebrate with family. Sit and enjoy the views, which are spectacular. This is the resort reception. Thoroughly enjoying this resort. It's so worth it. अगर आपको हिल पे रहना पसंद है, not like Nainital or Bhimtal because ये उससे भी ऊपर है, so then this is like the perfect place for you because it's overlooking the lake and the amenities and everything is really good. The food and everything is really good. Staff and hospitality is good. Prices are not bad either. They are not very expensive, but they are totally worth it. So definitely this place can be considered. A nice patio. कल हम ऊपर वाले पैटियो में बैठे थे, वो भी बहुत सुंदर है, बट आज हमने सोचा यहाँ बैठते हैं. So we have ordered lunch and मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ आज हमने क्या मंगाया है. कल से थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है बट थोड़ा सिमिलर. And of course मेरी cook is always there and I have ordered. उस एंड से रिजॉर्ट begins and then it's like a continuation and these are all the rooms and our room is right here, this one. So it has balconies. Almost all rooms have balconies. So the prices of the rooms start at 10k per night and it goes up to 20k, 25k also depending on what season and timing of the year you guys are coming in. But I feel for 10k it's a pretty decent resort considering it's lake facing and the spectacular views you get for it. The service, hospitality, food and everything else was also pretty good. So if you're okay with having Nauchukhiya Tal as your location destination, then this is perfect. If you want guys, finally the trip has come to an end. Lee Airport and यहाँ से अब we just have a final flight for Mumbai and that's about it. So if you like the vlog, subscribe and like and do check out the next videos from wherever we go. Bye.